Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my January Boxycharm unboxing tutorial video. I actually skipped last month, December, because, okay, first off, a couple things went wrong with my box. A couple of the products arrived broken, so I couldn't even use them. And I had to like reach out to customer service for Boxycharm so they can like send me new ones, yada yada, which by the way, Boxycharm's customer service, it's pretty A1. They were pretty good. I got all new products for the ones that I received that arrived damaged, which I was very happy about. So that, on top of the fact that my Boxycharm arrived late, I wasn't gonna be able to edit it on time, holidays. That's why I didn't upload it. I'm so sorry if you guys were looking forward to that. But I am back for the new year with our Boxycharm unboxings, and I definitely plan on continuing them throughout the year. I love doing these for you guys. And I must say, this month's box is a good one. I've already peeked into it. I'm loving it. I'm all about the products. I haven't seen anybody's unboxing yet this month, so I kind of just opened it to see what I had to do with my face. You guys know, but if you don't, I like to try all the products on and kind of like make a whole little tutorial on it. So anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling, so let's go ahead and get started. For this month's theme, we have a Rock 2018 theme. 2018, did I really just say 2018? 2018 theme card, rock and roll soul. So I don't know what that means. Y'all, this box is popping. It is definitely popping. I think I'm already ready to call it, but this is like my favorite box so far, like of all time. Maybe, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it is. So I don't even know where to start. I don't even freaking know where to start. Like, there's so much good stuff in here. I don't even know what to grab first. All right. Let me get my thoughts together. I'm like all over the place. So I'm definitely gonna use this palette first because this is definitely like a statement palette. It looks like it might get messy, so I'm gonna want to do my eyes first today. So this is by Crown Pro, and this is the Glam Metals palette, and it goes for $25. It has a lot of mixed metals in there, which is really nice. My mirror is kind of cracked there, so that's what that is, but I'm definitely gonna look past that. I don't care about no mirror right now. I don't know what kind of eye to go for, but there aren't really any transition shades in here, so I'm gonna grab some transition shades, and I'm also gonna prime my eyelids really quickly. A little bit of Creme Brulee by Makeup Geek here to just to use as a transition shade really quickly. I'm going to start off with Rock On from the palette here, which is almost like a shimmery olive. I'm going to apply that in my crease as well. It's a little bit different since it does have some shimmers, and I usually don't really put that on my crease. On the inner corner, and I'm also going to put it on the outer corner. I don't think I have an olive like this, which has like these little yellow golden specks, but it's just really pretty. Next, I'm going to grab Black Metal here, which seems to be like a really deep gray black. It doesn't look like a true black, but it looks like a really dark gray to me. So I'm going to do this one for the center of the eyelid. This is a really beautiful copper shade. I really gravitate towards colors like this. I just really love them. I'm very impressed with the pigmentation of these colors. They actually blend really nicely, and they also apply really nicely. And I'm using this one wet, and it's still not looking patchy or splotchy or separating or anything or doing anything funny. So I'm really impressed so far. Well, this is pretty much the finished eye. I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm going to jump right into the brows. We did get a brow product this month. This is by IT Cosmetics. This is the Universal Brow Power Eyebrow Pencil. So this is $24 for retail value. I'm going to do my brows real quick before I move on to the face. Okay. Alright, IT Cosmetics. This is pretty good. So it definitely is a good match for me, at least, as far as it being a universal shade. So moving on to the face, we have this Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. So this is definitely a face primer, and it seems like it's going to bring some luminosity to the face. So this goes for $38. Is enough? I always wonder why my skin does that. Does anybody else's skin get like super red the minute you just like touch it with something? Like, I was fine a second ago. Why am I red already? Like, I barely touched my face. So for foundation, I'm going to grab the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 310. This is my winter shade. I'm definitely a little paler around this time of year, so I'm just going to use this shade, pop a couple dots on my face, and I'm going to blend that out. I'm also really excited about this product. This is the Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. Super pretty. Here we have a blush, we have a highlighter, and we have a bronzer. And they all have shimmer in it, so I'm excited to use this. Actually, they look extremely pigmented. So I'm going to start off with the bronzer because I just did my foundation and I did my concealer, so I feel like I need a little bit more color. Pretty. It's pigmented. Like the bronzer, it's very, very pigmented, and a little bit goes a long way, and it gives you a nice warmth to your face. It's really pretty, actually. I'm gonna stop right here with the face because I want to go ahead and do some smoking out to my lower lash line area before I forget. This color right here, which is called Glam Rock, grab that, and I'm just gonna use it on the lower lash line. I'm gonna grab this shade right here, which is called Pop Rock, which seems to be kind of like the lightest color in this palette, minus this one, which is like a silver, but I kind of want to use this one since it kind of has some olive hues as well, and I'm just going to apply that to my inner corner just to kind of brighten that up a little bit. But I finished off my eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face like I mentioned. So now I'm going to grab some of this blush. This is the shade Blushing Glow, which is a really pretty like pinky peachy blush, which is totally up my alley. A little bit goes such a long way. It is so pigmented. It's so beautiful. I can already tell. I'm definitely going to be using this cheek palette again. It's absolutely stunning. I can't wait to try the highlight. Oh, that's so pretty. Guys, that's blinding. Holy crap. I feel like I might sound like very extra and like I'm exaggerating, but honestly, you guys, it is so beautiful. Yes. Yes. Give it to me, Pure. Give it to me. Okay, so last but not least, for lips, I'm going to be using this Girlactik lip paint that also came in the Boxycharm. This is $23, and this is in the shade Posh. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much going to complete this look. I'm so happy with it. I actually, like, guys, this box... Honey, this box was bomb. Let me just add all this up for you real quick so you know the value. So the value of this box is $144 this month, which always blows my mind. Boxycharm is amazing. Definitely my favorite subscription. I can't talk today. Definitely my favorite subscription service. I really, really love it. You get full-size products. You get staple products. Definitely some credible brands. I am in love with this box. My favorite product, if you couldn't already tell by the level of hype I showed towards it, was definitely this little thing right here. I'm definitely going to be using it again. Expect it to be in my next 5 tutorials. So yeah, you guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button if you did, and subscribe to my channel for more content. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.